morning, traders, and welcome back. Today's daily reminder is simple. Understand the stock that you're looking to trade. Understand where it likes to hang out. Understand where it likes to reverse, where it likes to hang out. Okay? Understand it so that you can profit from its expected moves. Understand how often it likes to break out or sell off, how often it likes to just hang out and be a choppy trading or trade for the day, for example. But you need to understand where it likes to hang out, what key levels it needs to break, and how much of a movement it normally does. So you need to understand that it does, for example, anywhere between $6 and $10 moves. You need to know that. So take the time to study the chart of the stocks and or stocks that you are looking to trade. And that's it for today, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's make that money.
More money, more